let's make a chicken soup, a creamy chicken noodle soup. I'm going to use some turmeric, some parsley flakes, optional sour cream, some cream of chicken soup, some chicken bouillon cubes. Here I have some leftover chicken broth that I made. That's not enough though, so we're going to have to use some water, and I'm going to use these to make it brothy. And our I have a large piece of chicken here, large chicken breast half there. And noodles, the noodles I'm going to use are this Inn Maid. These are just wonderful noodles. I love them. They're wonderful. They're medium size, and that's what's going into our noodle soup. I have my chicken breast in a pot. I'm going to add my 2 cups of homemade chicken stock. And I like to use chicken with the skin and the bones in there. I think there's more flavor. But you can use boneless, skinless if you wish. And here's 2 cups of water. And my chicken stock is not really salted very much at all, so I'm going to add 3 bouillon cubes for salt and some extra chicken flavor boost. I'm going to turn the heat on. I'm going to simmer this for 20 minutes very lightly and check the temperature and see if it's done then. If not, we'll go longer. Well, this has been cooking for 35 minutes, and I measured the temperature of it, so it's 160 right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off and take this out, put it on a plate to rest and cool down so we can chop up the chicken a bit. My broth has cooled down. I'm going to strain it. You don't have to strain it, but I'm going to strain it because it'll look nicer. And get most of that stuff out. I don't think I have enough broth, so I'm going to add 2 more cups of water and 2 bouillon cubes, and turn the heat on to warm this back up and to break up those cubes. I'm using this brand of noodles. They did not pay me to say this. I had to buy them myself. These are excellent noodles. The broth has come up to a simmer. I'm going to add some turmeric, some dried parsley, and my noodles. I'm going to cook my noodles until they're done. However long that takes, maybe 10 minutes or so. Well, our noodles have cooked 10 minutes. I'm going to add our soft chicken. Stir that in. Now right here, you have chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to go ahead and make it creamy by adding the can of cream of chicken soup, which is optional, but you know, you can do what you want. I'll get all of that in there. Stir this in till the chicken is warmed through. It smells divine. It really smells good. The aroma is wonderful. I have my soup. If you like, you can put a dollop of sour cream on top. It's very good. Very, very nice. Hope you try it, and thanks so much for watching.